Molweni bantu bahle baseMzantsi Afrika. Bafundi namkelekile kwiklasi Mnu Khaya. Today we're going to be talking about iziphawuli or adjectival concords. Okay, there are two different kinds of adjectival concords. Esentsusa and esongezelweyo, or predicative and attributive. I don't really want to go into too much detail about that. The two things that you need to know about these is one is and one that is that is. Okay? The cow is black. Wonderful. Is the cow that is black is running. You may not be able to see this part of the sentence, but not particularly important at this point. The cow that is black is running. Do you see that after the adjective, the sentence continues still relative or relevant to the subject? Over here, in the short form, there's a full stop after the adjective. Okay? In isiXhosa, how we would do this is inkomo, and then we would have mnyama over here as our adjective, inkomo, I mnyama. Right? And that is our short form. Nice and simple. Our long form, inkomo, still got mnyama as our adjective, and is running, iya baleka. Remember, baleka with a K, not balega with a G, baleka. So the difference over here would be that our concord would now change to e mnyama. Inkomo e mnyama iya baleka. That is the difference between that is, the cow, that is emnyama, black, iya baleka, and the cow is black. Now, the most important thing that we all need to know here. Now, if you're watching this video, you need to know your noun classes. Amahlelo. Once you know amahlelo, you can then continue with the rest of isiXhosa grammar. Okay? Because attached to the amahlelo are all of our adjectival prefixes. And then you'll have all of the prefixes for the short form noun classes and then for the long form noun classes. Here's a wonderful image that will assist you in knowing which is which over here. If you need any further examples, please feel free to reach out. Enkosi.